Meet the Toshiba AWDM100F PHWK top-load washing machine, where innovation meets powerful and hygienic cleaning. Experience the Great Waves technology, which uses dynamic water flows for a deep clean while being gentle on your fabrics and saving energy. Next, the direct drive inverter motor ensures quiet, reliable operation and long-lasting durability, backed by a significant warranty. Finally, with ultrafine bubbles technology, nano-sized bubbles penetrate deep into fibers to lift out stubborn dirt, ensuring a truly hygienic and effective wash every time. Powerful cleaning, durability, and smart technology all in one. Visit Robinson's Appliances Gateway today and get your Toshiba washing machine now.